Hey y'all, this is Papa G. We're gonna build a doghouse for the neighbor's dog. Yippee! Papa G doing big things in the neighborhood. All right, that is a doghouse I built for our 3 dogs: Apollo, Zeus, and Luna. And I used the old bed liner off the OBS as the roof. So today I've been tasked by my daughter to build another doghouse. And yes, it's cold as shit out here, but here we are. All right, I'm using 2x2s. No need in using 2x4s on a doghouse. You just have to be careful that you don't get screws that are too long. You don't want them going through all the way through and poking the animals, so get some smaller screws and everything's just fine. Let's get started. I'm using the OBS as a work truck. All right, we're gonna go with 36 by 36. So let's get to it. We're gonna mark it at 36. That'll give us 1. We're gonna get 2 out of each board. Again, these are 2x2s. I don't figure there's any need to use a 2x4. All right, we're gonna rip those 2 right there. All right, now for the other side, 36 by 36 end product, you got to think you're wanting it to be 36 inches wide. So these have to fit inside that and it still be 36 inches wide. Each one of these is 1.5 inches. So you got to take 3 inches off of this cut. So you're not going to cut these at 36 inches. You're going to cut these at 33 inches. So let's get that marked up and make that happen. Now for this framework, you're gonna need a longer screw than that 1.25 inches. I just got that for the sheathing. When we're going into the framework, you're gonna need some 3-inch screws. This will make sure you get in the screw deep enough into the next piece of wood. "36 inches, that's what we're looking for. 36 this way as well. All right, let's get started putting her together. Pop my wood, not good. So as you can see, that screw popped the end of this 2x2. So I'm gonna have to pre-drill them. All right, I got my drill bits. We'll open it up and get a bit just slightly smaller than the size of this. Put in my gun, pre-drill this one. See if this helps it. Put my torch bit back in, or whatever that thing is called. All right, got it started, slightly sticking through. We'll back it out a little to where it's even. Put it in place. We should nail it. Beautiful. No split. Perfect. All right, we got the bottom framed out. Let's just repeat the same thing for the top. get the top framed, and then we'll work on the walls. All right, we're gonna get at it and get the top done. To do that, we're just gonna repeat the steps we did to make the bottom. All right, got our 33s, got our 36s. Oh, hell. I knocked it down. Getting that on camera. Let's check our measurement. We want to make sure it's 36 from end to end, outside to outside. We got 36. We're good. Let's screw them. Pull the holes out. So let's change our tip. Put our drill bit in. Okay, we're attaching the floor to the bottom framework using the 3-inch screw. It's a little too long. I'm pre-drilling the hole, running the screw in, and then taking my vice grips and breaking off the nub. Again, I'm not putting that many in it. It's a doghouse. Let's get these nubs broke off. A quick wiggle. We're breaking the bottom piece off. There we are. We don't want these hanging out anywhere for somebody to get cut on or stabbed. All right, what I'm gonna do is cut this side off even with the board, the framework, and then we'll nail it down. All right, we got the top framed out, we got the bottom framed out. Now just gotta put some sides, some studs, if you will. So stick around, we'll get to that. All right, I want to get a 12-inch wide door, so I'm gonna put a mark right here and put the next stud in. Still pre-drilling the holes. Just kind of eyeball it. It ain't that hard. Now that I said it ain't that hard, watch my hole be off. Let's see. Nope, coming right through. All right, I got it completely framed out. It's ready for plywood. There's the door, 12 inches wide. It's over to one side. We'll cut the plywood up 4 or 5 inches up where it'll hold the shavings inside it. Got a big overhang. Try to keep rain out. It's 36 by 36. go. All it needs now is paint. All right, here we have the end product finished up. Still got it in my garage. I gotta deliver it today. Went ahead and put in some shavings in here. Gotta get many years of enjoyment out of this old doghouse. Pretty good size one. It could probably fit two comfortably. It's 3x3. Got the shingled roof. Large overhang. Try to keep the water out. Like I showed you, I built the ledge about 4 or 5 inches deep for it to hold the shavings in really well. Keep them good and warm. Nothing like cedar shavings to make a dog smell good and keep them warm in the wintertime.